everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. I'm doing another Ask Me Anything segment. These shorter, actually they're not shorter because I keep talking, but that's okay. I cannot describe something in 2.5 minutes, all right? So however long these are is what they are. My question is concerning my sewing machines, but it might not be what you're wondering. I do have a Juki sewing machine, TL 2200 QVP Mini mechanical. I got my new baby lock. I've had brother machines. I have another Juki, a computerized machine. It's not whether I like my Juki or my baby lock or my Husqvarna or my brother. Inevitably, I've gotten dozens, maybe 100 comments over the years. How did you get the flowers on your machine? Not about the machine, not about free motion quilting, not about stitching or piecing. How and where did I get the flowers that are on this machine in particular, these roses? And what do I always say? For years I've put up down the bottom, which I will here. I have gotten these, they're called floral tattoos from urbanaelementswithaz.com. They are rub-on decals. Now somebody, and I went back to my computer to ask, to see if I could see the person who asked in my long master list of questions, and I can't find that recent question. I have been asked this dozens of times, and I've told people, but the individual who had asked when I was doing my Ask Me Anything segment said, can I show how to put them on a machine? Oh, well, I actually have. I got these a while ago for my other Juki machine. I was going to put them on my other Juki, but my other Juki, my computerized, has a lot of blue and has a lot of plastic, and I was a bit hesitant. So here these sit. These are directly from Urban Elements, 7272 Saturn Drive, Suite M, Huntington Beach, California. Oh, that's where our son-in-law is from. Our son-in-law Justin was born in Huntington Beach, California. Anyway, I've got these from Urban Elements, and these ones I got are the yellow ones. Oh, aren't they pretty? Are they just like that? Yeah, they're this rose in yellow, and that matches my sewing room actually. So I had these, and I thought, well, I'm not going to be putting them on my other Juki, but lo and behold, I have a tremendously white Baby Lock Jazz 2 sewing machine. So I'm going to try to figure out how I did it. I'm going to open these up. Now, if you go to urbanaelements.com, they have a ton of these patterns, a ton, all different type flowers. Now this one is called Vintage Rose Yellow, and it's printed on clear. Now apparently, I looked these up, and you can get the rub-on decals printed on white. So perhaps if you're putting them on not just a sewing machine, say if you have a red or a black mixer or a toaster or something like that, or a computer case, they go on anything. So it's remove decal from packaging, which I've done. Leave the layers intact, which I've done. Do not separate the thick paper backing from the thin application paper. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Okay, cut the decals into smaller units. Make sure to cut in between the groupings without cutting apart the actual printed design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pair of scissors, and I'm going to cut this one decal out. I've cut that decal out. Is there somebody here? Oh no, I thought I heard somebody here. So there is one decal. Clean the object the decal will be applied to. That's good. It's good. I'm going to put I'm going to put this rose, I think, on the top there to make it easy, okay? Make sure the object is free from debris and oil. Carefully decide on the placement of the decal. These decals are removable but are not repositionable. Okay, choose placement carefully. Well, that's carefully enough. Not recommended for vintage or antique machines. Brand new machine. Remove the thick paper backing from the decal. Okay, I'm going to remove this paper backing. Oh no. It's like in 3 layers. Hold up. So whoever asked that. Oh, okay. Press the decal printed side down in desired location. I'll put that right down there. Rub finger firmly along the thin application paper that is face up, starting at the center and working out. Okay, it is a rub-on transfer. Oh, I can even almost feel it, perhaps adhering to the plastic. Yeah, I don't think you'd want to put these on I don't know, an old machine or something. Mind you, this is a new machine. I don't want to mess it up. But I did these, and actually I put these decals on about 6 years ago, and man, they're you can feel them, and just a few of them on this edge here. Maybe I shouldn't have it's holding up a little bit. Maybe slightly, you can feel it. So it's best, I suppose, if you put it on a real flat surface, which this one actually is, and I'll take a close-up of it. Starting at the center and working out. Now I've done that with my thumbnail. It's like a decal, or you hold your breath that hopefully you've gotten it all, and then slowly roll back the thin application paper. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, yeah. If decal begins to peel away in certain spots, push the thin paper of application back into place and rub fingers along the area again. Again, it's just like a decal that you're thinking, oh no, you don't want it to stick to the paper. I'll do another one with a close-up. I mean, this isn't rocket science. It's just a decal, right? So whoever it was that just recently asked, I don't think you have to be worried. You just follow the extremely easy instructions from Urban Elements. Oh, it's so pretty. And just go slowly, slowly. You don't want to be whipping this paper off. And there we have it. Ah, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Maybe you can see that. Can you see that, what I've done? See that decal? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, there we go. Okay, so here we go. I'm peeling back the paper, and I'll do it like this. Maybe, yeah, I'll do it like that. So, it's rucked up a bit. So, I'm rubbing that down. Oh, it got a little bit creased. Let's see if that... Oh, the first one came out perfect. I think it'll be okay. And if I do remember, it does go over the, a curve. So just use your fingernail, your thumbnail, working from the center out. This one got a little bit creased in the middle, but I think it's still going to be okay. I said they're just rub-on decals. And they do have a really nice selection. So whoever it was asked, don't be afraid Just make sure that you peel the proper paper off the back. Now, when I go to peel this off, I'm pretty sure that I just leave the design. Yeah, there we go. Do it real slowly, so then when you do peel it off, if it's stuck to the thin paper here, you can push it back down. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's super. They work beautifully. So, shout out to, I'm always giving credit to, urbanaelements.com. You can do your mixers, your appliances, your sewing machines, whatever it is, with these floral tattoos. So yeah, there's that one coming right around the corner there. And I'm just going to do, I'm not going to do them on the bed. Yeah, I didn't do them on the bed here because that would get rubbed. But I might do one in here, in my throat, and I might do a couple over here. So anyway, folks, I'm going to do that. I hope you enjoyed this. That was an Ask Me Anything. Again, these are just small little videos, Ask Me Anything, pertaining to sewing or whatever. And I'll try to explain it if I can. Thank you so much for watching me. And again, shout out to urbanaelements.com. Floral tattoos. Yeah, go have a look. And, yeah, enjoy it. All right, folks. See you later. Bye-bye.